up, y'all? It's me, Sister Girl Tuesday, back at it again with another video. And this week's video is a little bit different. It's not a recipe, but I'm just coming at you with something real quick. It's just been on my heart and I feel like I have to share it with you. So here we go. I'm going to tell you 3 things that you can make in the kitchen that you normally would cook with water that you don't need to. I'm gonna help you out. All right, number 1 is no stranger. If you watched my mom teaching me how she makes collard greens, you already know that we do not put water in our collard greens. And you know, I know that for a lot of people this is gonna go against tradition, you know, culturally, but you don't need it. Most greens or leafy green vegetables, most vegetables actually spring water themselves. So adding water to the greens is really not necessary. But if you just have to have some liquid, I totally understand that because my mom feels the same way and we did. But what we substituted the water for was vegetable stock. So, and I'm telling you, it's just gonna add a new element to your greens and you're gonna love it. If you want to see what I'm talking about, I do have the collard greens video on the channel. So if you haven't seen that, go ahead and check it out. But also, staying along in the vegetable realm, we're gonna move on to the second thing, and that's any frozen vegetables. So if you went to the store and you got it from the frozen section and it's like mixed vegetables, corn, carrots, cauliflower, broccoli, whatever it is, you could simply take it from the freezer, put it in your pot, put the lid on it, and that's it. Because the vegetables are frozen, so there's ice, which means it's going to melt, which gives you the water aspect. And plus, if you cook them with water, you're just gonna strain the water off after the fact. So this really saves you time and it saves you a step and you don't need it. But if you just feel like you gotta do something before you put the actual vegetables in the pot, go ahead and put a little oil in that thing with some garlic and some onions and then throw your vegetables in there and steam them. It's gonna, I'm telling you, this is what you want. And it helps to keep that bright, vibrant color of your vegetables as well. All right, moving on to number 3. Now this one, you know, it may spark some controversy, it may not. But it's hot dogs, or in my case, Big Frank's, Smart Dog, any kind of veggie dog. I just don't think it tastes good when boiled in water. I think it tastes best on the grill or in the skillet, and I just really feel like it just, you know, it makes a huge difference. So those are just a couple of things that you don't need to use water for when you're preparing food in the kitchen. And if you have any others, I'm actually really interested and curious to see what they might be. So be sure to connect with me in the comment section. And yeah, you already know, before you go, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.